Hi there from Asana. Today I'll show you how Phoenix Corp's marketing ops team uses Asana's AI Studio to streamline their campaign intake workflow. Here are our key players. Alan from marketing, who is requesting a LinkedIn marketing campaign. Charlie from marketing ops, who handles incoming requests. And Jamie, who makes the final approval on marketing briefs, launching campaigns into action. Let's take a quick look at the Phoenix Corp's marketing ops intake workflow. At the top, we've included 4 workflow phases that are common across industries. This workflow includes steps within intake, planning, and execution. Without AI Studio, each step in this process required a human checkpoint, even though it wasn't work that required the strategic thinking marketing ops team members were hired to do. With AI Studio, AI takes care of a lot of the busy work, from renaming requests to drafting briefs. But throughout the workflow, there are still crucial human checkpoints to respond appropriately to questions and make approvals. Let's see how Asana AI transformed this workflow from initial request all the way to approved brief. Here we are in the campaign intake project. Sections clearly outline the steps in the workflow. Custom fields relevant to marketing campaigns are added, and there's a form used to standardize brief requests. To submit his request, Alan fills out the form with details, from the campaign name to the campaign's goal. After submitting, the request appears as a task in the workflow. Alan's form responses are included for visibility. The request is automatically renamed to follow marketing ops naming conventions and moves to a quality check. It looks like Alan's request is missing some key information, so it's moved to more info needed. And now an AI agent adds a comment asking clarifying questions about details missing in Alan's request. Alan is notified in his inbox because he's a collaborator on the task. So far, Asana AI has handled 3 workflow steps that used to be huge pain points for Charlie's team: renaming requests, checking for completeness, and asking for clarification. These steps used to take significant time and were done inconsistently. Asana AI just did them accurately in seconds. Alan quickly checks why the request failed the quality check. It was missing details about the target audience for the campaign. He then responds to the comment. After responding, the request is sent back to the QA check to see if his comment clarified the missing information. After passing the quality check, the request moves to prioritization, where an AI agent fills crucial fields like the goal, target audience, and impact. Charlie reviews the AI-assigned priorities, ensuring they accurately represent the request. This is an example of a human-in-the-loop checkpoint, allowing Charlie to make critical decisions about the request. Once Charlie's reviews and approves the prioritization, another AI agent transforms all the request information into a comprehensive campaign brief summary. The request is converted to an approval task and assigned to Jamie, who reviews it and approves. The task is converted to a project, and the LinkedIn marketing campaign is ready to be kicked off by Alan. What used to take weeks of back and forth is now an efficient workflow that combines AI automation with crucial human checkpoints. Let's take a quick peek into AI Studio to see how the marketing ops team set up their automations. By clicking on the Customize menu and Rules with AI Studio, we can see all of the rules in this project. Smart rules are shown with the AI symbol. Let's click into the QA check rule. The AI Studio Rule Builder includes triggers, conditions, and actions, just like the standard rule builder. Choosing a trigger in AI Studio is the same, but now Asana AI can be applied in the conditions or the actions of a rule. For the QA check, AI is applied in the condition to check if newly submitted requests do or do not have enough information. Then, the marketing ops team gave instructions to Asana AI on how to assess requests for completeness. Notice this prompt is clear and concise, telling the AI agent its job and providing it with a framework to assess the requests. All of the smart rules in this workflow were built in a similar way, but Asana AI can be applied in different ways. In the prioritization rule, AI is applied in multiple actions, filling in each custom field in the project. And the instructions are specific to the task at hand, telling AI what its job is and providing clear criteria for updating custom fields. Today we walked through a marketing ops workflow, but the smart rules we created could streamline any intake workflow. Sound interesting? Talk to our team to identify ways Asana's AI Studio can transform your campaign intake. Or visit asana.com/AI.